when I was a teacher last 1986.
In what age does it happen? What age?
Me, I was 21 years old.
How did you manage your program?
According to the event that I have handled, like for example here, I'm handling a very big school, so I will make it for a very nice schedule like round robin or double elimination.
What kind of sport do you usually do?
Actually, when there is first I handle table tennis and volleyball.
What motivates you to manage your program?
So, first of all, I motivate them that this activity is so very useful, especially their health and a matter of exercise, and most of all, they promote their scholarship. They can reach to the big event like they are getting winners.
How many sports do you usually do? How many sports?
Solving sports. Usually, what do you mean by you?
One, kasagaran na
During our intramural, so usually we have a sport, especially in intramural, so more or less 8 sports.
aside from managing your program, what do you do?
So during that time, I only again.
Aside from managing your program, what do you usually do? What do you usually do? Pangita, hindi mo manangin ka mula sa sunod, buhaton.
So as a public teacher, there are many tasks that we are going to do, like making lesson plan and preparing our lesson for the next day, like making visual aids.
Have you ever think to stop managing your program?
So at this time, I'm going to transfer in my life because since the beginning I was started in the day, but now when I was in night school, so I am only assistant, so more or less, parang wala na ako sa ganyan. Assistant na ako sa game.
Do you think that it can apply to our daily life? Why?
Yes, of course, you can apply that because in our daily activities, it's really involved in just like doing playing basketball because you can move your body. Like for example, if you are going to sit your surroundings, so just like doing the ping pong. And in the real sense, it's very useful to our daily undertaking.
Why do each sport event need a committee like you? Ano kailangan magkakaroon?
Again.
Why do each sport event need a committee like you? Ano kailangan magkakaroon? Ano kailangan mag-manage sa program?
Yes, of course. In every department, it should be have what you call that, a manager, because when there is no person who manage the game, it might be make trouble or there is no peace for them. So it should have a committee, especially in sports.
Does the referee can manage a program?
The referee, it's depend upon their experience. If the referee is came from a manager before, or he he have more experience regarding that, so maybe he can manage.
What will happen to the event if there is no manager in the program?
I, of course, there is no smoke sailing. No? The event should not really going on because of the circumstances, and depend if it's depend upon the manager. If the manager is not good, the flow is also not good, especially in sports.
Is it important to have a manager? Why?
Yes, it's very important, just like a ship. When the ship there is no captain, there is no nice destination or smoke sailing again.
Does a scorer can be called as a manager? Why?
No, it is not a manager. The scorer is one of the officials during the game.
Does anyone can also manage the program?
What?
Does anyone can also manage the program? Pwede ba makamanage ang kanang kipinsa na tao sa manage sa program?
Not all can be managed in the program, especially in sports, because it depends upon the experience. How can you manage if you do not know? You cannot give if you don't have. So, in the real sense, it is not good that anyone can, or it is not true that anyone can manage the program, especially in sports. It depends upon the experience of a person who manage.
What can you say about yourself as a manager of a program?
For me, I'm not self-centered. I need somebody to suggest me when either I am good or excellent manager. So for me, no one can deprive themselves. We are a good manager during the game or some other activities.
Being as a manager, is it hard to manage the program?
It's just a little bit, but likely I am really experienced because as what I told you, I was started in 1986 until now. So I am so veteran of that, so it's so easy for me.
What
What you
kind,
know?
what kind of event or program do you usually manage?
Again?
What kind of event or program do you usually manage?
Yeah, so since that it was already asking, I will also again answer. I usually manage the, like for example, the table tennis and the volleyball. And when there is a dance sport, so I am the manager of the dance sport.
What can you advise to those people who'd like to be a manager of a program?
So there are many things to do or to advise them because as a manager, you should be always, what you call that, be always in a right way, yeah, be calm, be censored to be a manager. So you just love what you are going to manage.
Pwede mo mag-program, example lang. Example sa ka-program.